Everyone, welcome back to the Palm Beach Traders channel. I hope you guys are doing well. This is the first video of 2025 and we're going to be covering this trade that I took on Vix75. This strategy plays out almost every single day and you will be able to find setups for yourself. So I'm going to be breaking down what I was seeing on this trade, why I took the trade, what prompted me to take the trade, and how you can learn this exact same strategy for yourself as I give you guys step-by-step guides for you to find trades like this. So as you guys can see, we had this selling setup over here, right? So I'm going to delete all of this analysis just so that you can see the puzzle for yourself. When you're trading this strategy, you're understanding market structure combined with order flow and liquidity. So you are seeing the markets, right? This is what you'd be seeing. So you're seeing this and you're wondering to yourself, okay, what is the next move, right? You go into your higher time frames and you can see that the market has been on an overall downtrend, right? So you see we have some consolidation over here, right? The market has been consolidating for about 4 to 5 months now, right? So we go down to the lower time frames, right? There we are on the H1 time frame. And when you train your eyes to see this certain stuff, you are going to be in a position where you can start to spot trades for yourself. So what was I seeing? I could see that the market was downtrending, right? We're downtrending and I could see a small retracement. So price was actually retracing over here, right? So we're in an uptrend, but we're overall in a downtrend, as we can see on the 4-hour time frame, right? Price was downtrending, as you can see. So we go down to the lower time frames. So we already have a selling bias, right? Now what could I see on the lower time frames? When we go down to the lower time frames, I could immediately spot something. And what is it that I spotted? It was right over here. Boom. Just right there. That is the first piece of your puzzle. Second piece of your puzzle, break of structure. Okay, so when we have this right here, we have our protected high right there, right? What was the third piece of our puzzle? Structural liquidity. You pull out your Fibonacci tool, you pull it down, right? But before we even go there, let me explain this right here. Right over here. So we have our first sweep of liquidity, right? And then we have price doing this. This is what we call inducement liquidity. Price, the market is inducing you to take a trade. We call this inducement liquidity. We want to see that happening actually, right? And then what did we get? We got a break of structure. Now, when price breaks structure, what are we expecting? We're expecting price to buy into our 50% or more zone. And it got there. 50% or more, right? This is the 50% or more zone. So anywhere from the 50 going upwards, right? Creates what we love to call structural liquidity. You're putting the pieces together slowly. You're building a setup. Patience is key when it comes to trading. Patience. And that's what we are building over here, right? So we have this little area over here that we like to call our point of interest, right? But before we get that, what do we expect price to do after it creates structural liquidity? We are expecting price to get down here and break structure. And what did price do? It came here, broke structure. All right, now we are getting to something. We are getting somewhere, right? Recap this right here. That over there is 90% of your setup. When you see this, I want you to write down notes. First thing that you're looking for is your sweep of liquidity. Second thing that you're looking for is your break of structure. So, sweep of liquidity, break of structure. Third thing that you're looking for is your structural liquidity. Right over here. Fourth thing you're looking for is your next break of structure. Right? As soon as you have this, you already have 90% of the setup. Now, what are you waiting for? All you are waiting for is for price to get into our zone that we love to call our point of interest. That's where we're going to be looking for our entries. Right? Very, very important zone. Right? Our point of interest. How do we find our point of interest, you may ask? Your point of interest is this area right over here. The order block that failed. So you see where our sweep is? The order block that failed is where you're going to be drawing your point of interest. So we put it right there. And what does price do when it gets to this area? Wow. Just wow. Look at that. Right? Now you want to look for your entry. Can you already see price gave us this doji right over there, and then the next candle that opened was bearish. You're taking your entry over here. That's the safest entry right there, because you've got your full confirmation. This is a reversal candlestick formation right here. That's a reversal candlestick formation, right? You're just looking for candlesticks that are showing signs of reversal. Let's go down to the lower time frames. 5-minute time frame, I like to look for entries over there. This right here would have been your aggressive entry. Price got in, did this. Your entry is right on this candle close over here. It closes, it opens up, makes a wick, boom, you're in right over there. Simple stuff, guys. And then look at it. It just melted. This was our TP right here. I was happy when price got down here. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys took something away from it. If you learned something, please subscribe to the channel. If you're new, subscribe, like the video, share this with your trading buddies. They need to see this. I am going to be doing more of these videos more consistently in 2025. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Thank you very much. Palm Beach Traders, signing out.